We are going to unbox and try out this milk frother. This is a very nice milk frother that has a lot of different modes on it and different ways to use it. So first of all, let's see everything that you get into it. You have a very nice instruction manual that gives you very good details of operating it, how to clean it, what all the controls mean, and so troubleshooting tips, things like that. So definitely take a look at this when you get your machine. And then I like that they have this little cheat sheet here to tell you what you're going to need for different things you want. So if you just want milk heating, milk frothing, or hot chocolate. And then here is your machine itself. So you've got here the motor part and the base, and then you have your pitcher here, which is where your milk is going to go in. On the inside, you can see that they have minimum and maximum lines for filling, so you don't underfill or overfill. And then here, just your really nice heated coil, so of course you never want to touch inside of that for the risk of being burnt. And then you also have your whisk, and it actually has different components to use for different ways. So you're going to have the whisk disc, the frothing disc, and then this is the whisk. So yeah, you got the, and then whisk holder here. So depending on what you want to use it for is what pieces you use. When I demonstrate it today, I'm going to use these two pieces. This is more for like cappuccinos and hot chocolates, things like that. So that will go into your pitcher, and on here it does show you up, so it's going to tell you which direction that goes. So it's going to go into there, and then of course I will put my milk in, and we will demonstrate this. They do suggest using whole milk, as that's going to give you the best froth. If you use something like an oat milk or an almond milk, it's just not going to froth as well. So we are going to use whole milk today to try this out. All right, so we have it all set up, and we are going to turn it on. And then we're going to add our milk into here. Going to put the lid on. Alright, so I'm going to make it super frothy. I've set it to 160 degrees. It is working. Now you have to press the power button to get it going. Very quiet. You can hardly hear it working. And then I believe it will just beep when it is all done. Okay, so the process can take anywhere 2 to 7 minutes. This is now done. I did put a little bit of caramel sauce in here. And then let's take a look at what it looks like in here. So if you can tell, it is nice and frothed. And I've got my coffee cup here. So we're gonna go ahead and pour that on top. So nice and thick, and there's still plenty left in there. My husband's coffee. I'm just gonna put a little caramel on top here. And then you can tell how nice and thick that is, how well it worked, super quiet. And now once it's done, you just want to let it cool, and it will automatically shut off. So we're gonna give this a try. It's really good. It's super thick and foamy. And so you can set your temperature. So if you like more of a cold foam, which I do too, I'm gonna try that next. So that will, it will automatically shut off if it's overheated or you didn't put enough liquid in it or anything. So it's, and then one last thing I forgot to mention is it comes with this cleaner. So you do want to be sure to wash it after every use. And they also recommend letting it cool down between each use. So if you wanted to make more, let the machine completely cool, which takes about 15 minutes before reusing it. It is dishwasher safe for you to put on the top rack, but they also recommend hand washing just for longevity of life of it. So if you enjoy making nicer coffees with frothed milk, foam, cappuccinos, hot chocolates, all of that at home, this is definitely a great choice. I like how quiet it is. It's pretty compact. It's not going to take up a lot of room on your countertops, and simple and easy to use. And I just think it looks like really modern and sleek too. So I would highly recommend. Thank you.